The northern province of Bắc Giang currently has 6 industrial zones and dozens of industrial clusters. In this year alone, a total capital of over $1.3 billion was registered for new and additionally registered investment of large corporations in the province, including Foxconn, for their production shift. Their Ipad and Macbook production line in Bắc Giang province will be going into operation next year with a new investment of $270 million.
We have adjusted the province planning to expand the industrial development space and reported to the Prime Minister for permission to establish 3 new industrial zones, along with the expansion of 3 existing ones in order to have enough land to welcome new investors.
We highly appreciate Bắc Giang province's investment environment. The provincial authorities have strongly supported our company to invest in the Guangzhou Industrial Zone. We are urgently completing phase 2 of the project.
In November, Foxconn also launched the first batch of products that were made at their factory in Dong Mai Industrial Park of Guangning Province. Generally, the export value of enterprises in this industrial zone is expected to reach $301 million, and the number of employees is expected to reach 6,300.
We will be focusing on our resources on synchronous infrastructure investment throughout the whole province, the development of high-quality human resources, and administrative reforms.
If we continue to improve human resources and the investment environment, Apple's broader presence in Vietnam will be a good sign for other major technology corporations to come to the country.
In addition to opportunities and benefits, there will also be many challenges for Vietnam from such investment shifts. Vietnam is now getting ready to receive new investment waves in order to create a positive impact on the country's hardware outsourcing ecosystem and supply chain in the near future.